Hello, beautiful people. It is me again, and I am doing a product review on the Anastasia Chocolate Dual Brow Powder. So I'm just going to do it real quick. I'm going to show you. I use an angle brush here, and I use the lighter. Obviously, I've been using this a while, just now getting around doing a review on it. I use the lighter color for here, and just kind of dipping it in. It's dry, and then I like to take my brush and just kind of like tap the little extra off so it doesn't fall, and then come in and just brush it on. So that's one of the two colors. It's the lighter one. I'm gonna go back, take a little bit more of that lighter one. Just real soft, just a real natural look. And then I'm gonna go in with that darker and just catch that tail. I like this because it is so soft. My eyebrows are actually tattooed on, so I already have like, you know, a line there, and I just like to go over it and enhance it. So that's it. Nothing crazy, nothing too dramatic, just really soft.